I'm sorry, but the bad bee in me had to make an appearance.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shania. If you're new here, I create lifestyle, beauty, and fashion content. Today's video is a 3-in-1 get ready with me where I did my hair, my makeup, and I picked out my outfit. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist nor am I a hairstylist, so everything may have not been done not as neat or as perfect as I wanted it to, but it's gonna have to work. It's not like I'm actually going anywhere, I'm in the house. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm on my road to 500 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications to be notified once I do upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so let's get into the hair segment of this video. So I washed my hair last night and my hair's just got some moisturizer in it at the moment. I'm now going to use my spray bottle and add some water to my hair just so that it's easier for me to detangle. Once I've done that, I'm just going to section my hair into two so that I could detangle it. And I'm going to be using my paddle brush, and I'm going to start from the ends and just move upwards. Alright guys, so that's both sides of my hair detangled using my paddle brush. You can see a bit of white residue in my hair, but that's just from the moisturizer that I added last night. Now I'm just going to use my comb and create a middle part in middle of my head. Alright, so this is as straight as it's gonna get for me. I am not a hairstylist. Don't judge my parting skills. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my argan oil gel. Guys, I know the beauty supply stores are closed at the moment, but you can get all these items that I used in this video on Amazon, and I'll definitely be sure to link them in the description tab below. So now I'm gonna add the Eco Styler all throughout my hair and then use my paddle brush to brush it through again just to make it flat. So I'm just gonna start with the top of my head first. And then I'm going to move to the back. And I'm just going to put my hair back in a bun, just for now. And I'm going to add more of the Eco Styler gel. So now that I've got my hair back in a bun, I'm going to use my bristle brush, I think that's what it's called, and I'm just going to brush my hair until it's flat as possible. So now I'm going to attempt to put my hair in the position where I want to add the extension. And I think here seems just about right for me. Alright, so I've added my scrunchie in my hair. I hope my middle part is in the middle. So I've placed my hair into a bun where I want to add my extension. I'm just going to section my hair into two like so, and then I'm going to braid these two sections. Okay, so I've got my two ponytails behind there. Now I'm just gonna lay these flyaways with the GUMMY Professional Styling Wax Ultra Hold, and I also got this on Amazon. It smells really nice. It smells like strawberries. I'm gonna be using this edge control brush, which I also got from Amazon. It's the Cantu brand. Alright, so now that I've gotten rid of all the flyaways, I'm going to attempt, I repeat, attempt to do my edges. I'm not really good at edges, but I'm going to attempt today.
It was all a facade and I was being played.
Oh, look at me being all fancy or whatever. Okay, so I've done one side of my baby hairs. I'm gonna do this side and then I'll be right back. I've never done my baby hairs this good before, and I think it's the product that I was using to do them. Like, it would never lay them this nice. So I definitely recommend the gummy wax to lay your edges. Now we're gonna get into the ponytail part of this hair tutorial. I'll be using the X-pression Ultra Braid, and I got it in the shade 1B. And I'm not sure if I want to use 1 or 2 packs of these. I think I might just stick to 1 pack because, you know what, I'm not the best braider at all, so I'm just going to use 1 pack. You're going to need an elastic band, and you're just going to wrap it under like so, and then you're going to pull it through to make a knot like this. I want to make sure that the hair stays above and not below, so I'm gonna start from the bottom, wrap it around, I'm gonna twist it, and then wrap it a few more times to ensure that it's secure. So as you can see, it's now secured to my head. I'm gonna start braiding. Everything is just falling now, but oh my god, guys, look at that. Inches, all about my inch. That actually looks so cute. This is how long the braided hair is. It's literally going past my legs. Okay, so let's get into the braiding. Now I'm going to separate the hair into 3. Take the braided hair and take my little ponytail, and I'm going to cover it with the braided hair like so. And I'm going to do that for the second ponytail that I had. It was all a facade and I was being played. At the start, it's going to be quite tricky because you're trying to make sure that your actual hair is tucked under the braid and it isn't visible. So I suggest that you just take your time at the top of the braid, and then like once you've got the hair tucked, then you can speed up. So this is the end result of my ponytail. For my first attempt, I think I did a decent job. Next time I'll try to make attaching the ponytail to my actual hair a bit smoother. As you can see, there's a bit of a twist there. But yeah, it looks good. Hi guys, let's just jump right into this makeup routine. So first I'll be priming my skin with the L'Oreal Infallible Primer. Then I'll move on to cover my hyperpigmentation scars using the MAC Orange Concealer. Then once I've done covering my acne scars, I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm just using a cheap eyebrow pencil that I got from Superdrug. Okay, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to put that all over my face because I get quite oily. Then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I actually used 2 of them in this video. After blending this one in, I thought it wasn't even giving me like that pop that I needed. So I went in with another one to give me a more brighter under eye. There you can see me blending it in. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna be quiet and you guys can just watch the makeup bit of this video because I'm showing you guys what products I use and you're basically seeing how I apply it, so it's gonna be quiet. But I also wanted to mention that the song that's playing throughout this video is Parties Over by Naomi. I'm gonna put the link in my description tab so you guys can check it out.
Couldn't believe I was misled. Now the party's over, babe. I'm sure you didn't mean the things you said. It was kinda crazy, baby. I should've left your text unread. I couldn't believe it, baby. Couldn't believe I was misled. Something about you made me weak. I never doubt you, I never leave you in these streets. I didn't want to, you know how these things.
Alright guys, so this is my makeup look. I went for something quite simple but kept it glam at the same time. I really do hope that you guys like it. I'm sorry, but the bad bee me had to make an appearance.
Would have never thought being deceived. All this time I thought you were the best, but it turns out it was just a mess.
I got this two-piece set from Pretty Little Thing and I paired it with this bag that I got from ASOS a while ago. I added a gold watch and some gold hoop earrings, and I also got these strappy heels from Pretty Little Thing as well. They're really comfortable. Guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I really enjoyed doing this one. It's a bit different from what I usually do here on YouTube, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Looking at the bigger picture. Well, the party's over, babe.